Day 1 begins on a frozen land, where soil is locked under ice and extreme cold dominates the environment. Soil is completely frozen, preventing direct planting.
The ground is harder than expected. We might need to adjust the seeder. I agree, let's try the lower setting first.
Snow depth slows down every step.
Surface begins to fracture under repeated force. Soil remains frozen under ice layer. Surface transformation begins. Temperature difference begins softening surface. Thawing process releases moisture. Soil starts regaining workable texture. Soil condition improves gradually. Organic input is required for fertility. Even minimal organic matter is valuable.
Nutrient level increases through mixing.
Elevation reduces freezing impact.
That's it, just like that. Make sure they're covered.
We'll have a good crop this year.
Spacing supports uniform growth.
Microclimate begins forming. Temperature adjustment supports germination. Heat exchange affects soil condition. Germination occurs under controlled conditions. Growth begins despite low temperature.
Visual contrast highlights progress. Heat management continues.
Cold remains a constant threat.
Growth rate remains slow but stable.
Plant structure adapts to cold. Central monitoring confirms the soil is warm.
Yes, the temperature is perfect for the seeds.
Barriers reduce environmental impact.
Controlled zones maintain growth conditions.
Growth continues gradually.
Sunlight becomes critical energy source.
Moisture behavior changes under cold.
Development progresses toward maturity.
Transformation becomes more visible.
Uniform growth improves yield.
Root systems strengthen over time.
Structural integrity increases.
Plants adapt to airflow.
Maturity stage approaches. Reproductive phase begins.
The kernels are filling out nicely, but we need rain soon.
Agreed. The topsoil is getting dry.
Color change signals maturity.
Grain fills with nutrients.
Harvest stage begins.
Technique minimizes loss.
Output is organized efficiently.
Contrast shows achievement.
Final product reflects entire process.
End of cycle highlights success.
Transformation stands out against environment.
Natural forces remain unchanged. Soil condition evolves through work.
Recovery is necessary in harsh climate.